Phoenix, and I go to Roots Public Charter School in Washington, D.C. And I bet you think that a girl like me couldn't go mindless like that, don't you? I can. These ways. Oh look! A homeless person. What should I do? Because that's what we do. Is that a jaywalker I see?
Oh my God. And why Caitlin was not, she was doing too much.
Jaywalking is for losers. So would you kindly step inside the designated lines?
Oh, I didn't even know it was a crosswalk there. Oh my God, thank you, you're my hero.
Is that a lost child I see? Sad and lonely? It is. She needs a pushing. Do you need a pushing? Of course you do. Wait, I need to push you. I need to push you.
I can't stand you. Ooh, I'm going to fight you. Oh my God.
Whoa! Break it up! Break it up. Now what is the problem?
He is being racist.
Only one way to solve this problem. Dancing.